Hi, everyone. My name is Marielle, and I'm excited to share with you what Team B from 1Password, the designers and developers, have come up with during this hackathon. So first, we want to introduce our problem, which is how might we uncover unauthorized access in our vaults? And to give some context, vaults are a location that holds user-related sensitive information. So in practice, on the enterprise level, companies struggle with uncovering which users are accessing sensitive files and documents in their system. And for our, are you able to see the next screen? No, okay. Here, I have a backup. Sorry about that. So for our solution, give me 1 second. All right. Sorry about that. So for our solution, we created a system to provide admins with access to which employees can view what document and from where in the world. So now I'm going to hand it over to Braden. We'll talk about the user flow and showcase our demo.
This will actually be Dennis, right?
Yeah, so in terms of our user flow, we are using React for our front end, as well as Flask for backend. So in our demo that's going to come up soon, we're going to allow the user to log in with their 1Password credentials. After the user logs in, they can see a default or a filtered version of their dashboard where we'll get our information from our events API from 1Password and filter that information with IP API to get their location data. Then we update the map. In this case, we use Mapbox in order to host all those map information. And yeah, the user will be able to see all the map locations based on the event APIs that we get that gets triggered through 1Password.
All right, let's get this demo rolling. The screen one. Everyone can see that?
Yep.
Awesome. All right, so welcome to OneSecure. As usual, you'll start by signing in with your 1Password credentials, assuming they're up to date. Sign in here, and we'll begin to load our map. You'll notice that automatically it'll load to the user's current location. I'm out here in Stittsville, Ottawa. And on the right-hand side, you can see our list of cards, which represent the different types of accesses to our vault and where they're happening. So we can see for the majority, these are item accesses. So you can think about whenever you're accessing a saved password from your vault and signing into something like Slack or Facebook, these are the kinds of events that you'll get through the 1Password events API. If we click on any one of these, we can navigate directly to where that access happened. And if we zoom out, we can see all over the country where these accesses are happening. And if we click on them, we can see some additional details about what was accessed and when. On the left, we have some filtering options to provide some more granular control over what kind of accesses you want to investigate as an administrator. And that covers our app. Thanks very much. I'll pass it over to Roy for some next steps.
Yep, we'll switch back to the slides. Awesome. So our next steps are to first implement a search bar so that the user has better control over what type of data they want to see. Also, we would like to implement an automated anomaly detection system to help the user catch odd activities or any odd cases. And lastly, we really want to make use of 1Password's Connect API in the future, which will allow users to take action on our map rather than just using it to map the data. And yeah, that concludes our presentation. This is our team and our amazing mentors. Thank you guys so much for listening, and thank you deCODE for this amazing opportunity. If you guys have any questions, well, I guess we don't have time.